This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the environment predictable. Turn off orientation lock and enable auto-rotate so Roblox can switch freely. Once done, update the Roblox app. App updates often add portrait fixes and stability improvements. Make sure to clear the app cache or force stop the app, then restart your device to remove lingering state. These steps resolve most immediate conflicts between the OS and Roblox, so make sure they're completed before changing in-game settings. Now get into Roblox and the specific game causing portrait issues. Open Settings, then Display or Controls, and look for a portrait or touch control toggle. If you find it, switch it and test immediately. This tells you whether the game offers native portrait support. If the game lacks a toggle, try a different title that supports portrait. This comparison reveals whether the problem is app-wide or game-specific. Keep notes on which games behave correctly. They give clues for the next steps. Finish by reinstalling Roblox when adjustments fail, uninstall, then reinstall to force a clean configuration. This often clears corrupted settings. If the issue persists, contact the specific game's developer, provide device model, OS build, Roblox app version, and exact repro steps so they can patch compatibility. If you need one quick troubleshooting tip, test with a guest or a fresh user profile. If portrait works there, you know it's a local account or cached data problem and can target your fixes precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.